Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. It's the afternoon of October 23rd. I'm getting to run my COVID-19 in 6-minute reports for the country of Israel. Israel has shown some progress recently in both cases and deaths declining. They are in the midst of a lockdown. But as we all know, lockdowns are Band-Aid solutions, and we don't need Band-Aids right now. Okay, we need life-saving we need life-saving treatments. Okay. But anyway, even a little bit will help. So let's go ahead and run this report for Israel. So anyway, for Israel, uh, there's 1,046 cases per day, but only 7 or 8 deaths per day. I mean, I'm not sure what you're really looking for. Yeah, you had a spike, but the spike wasn't that much. Here we have mortality rate. These spikes represent the daily mortality rate, as you can see. Now, did he really have these massive spikes here, or did he forget to change the data report? So the red line, which is about maybe let's say 0.75%. Okay, you can see it's been more time. As you can see here, back in late September, it began the daily average, the lowest fitted curve, moved above the daily mortality rate average. So that's not a good sign. That means both cases and deaths may be increasing, or deaths are increasing, but not cases. But anyway, you can see here a very distinct, clear downturn as far as cases are concerned in Israel. So this line here is October. Okay. So sometime on the end of September, first week of October, cases been doing a dramatic decline. And this decline may have begun before they started the lockdown. Okay. Deaths are also turning down. It's kind of hard to see here with the volatility, but the lowest line says it's turning down, so therefore that means it's turning down. And this began sometime back in late October. Okay, late October. We zoom in, take a look at the cases again. You can see it's beginning this long trend decline. It's almost fallen below this line over here. Okay, but the deaths are remaining up. Deaths are falling back down. Let's take a weekly numbers. We can see that actually Israel cases for the previous 2 weeks have declined. And these two are pretty dramatic decline from this peak back here cases. As always, we got this mysterious thing right here. Be interested to see what happens next week. I'm just not sure why we got missing some numbers there for. Unless there was no deaths for those 2 weeks. Anyway, monthly cases, well, a week ago, they may not catch. October's deaths may not catch September's deaths, or September's cases, which would be very good news. Deaths already have passed September's deaths, but they are beginning to decline. Okay, so I'd say the good news is on a daily basis, both deaths and cases are declining. So keep up the good work. Keep wearing a mask, keep practicing social distancing, and the Lord, and of course, God is still on the throne. You must never forget that God is still on the throne.